I'm Bryce Brown, a 10th grader at ITA, and I'm going to be teaching you guys about accounting. Accounting is a system that keep track of businesses' money and like where all their money is being spent and what it's going towards. Some of their responsibilities include making finance sheets and finance transactions. And finance, some of their responsibilities include recording financial transactions and making financial statements. Financial statements are usually made up of balance and income sheets. Balance sheets are made up of, it just records the total assets, liabilities, and the owner's equity for a company. The income sheet just records their a business net income and then their net income, like net loss. So like the things they lost that however long it's recorded. And financial transactions, these are things they look at the most when like determining those. So we have assets. Assets are things the business owns, such as the product that they sell or properties they own. Those things are assets. Then liabilities, liabilities are things the company is responsible for. Like, let's say it's a construction company, and like all the dangerous equipment, and then like their workers working in dangerous conditions. The business is responsible for that, and that's like considered liability. Or also another liability is debt that the business has. And the final thing is owner's equity. Owner's equity is just the assets and liabilities like put together. Yeah, that's the owner's equity. An equation they use to make sure everything is correct when doing all their accounting. There's a lot of math you have to look at. It's the accounting equation, and it's assets equals liabilities plus owner's equity, and it works the same way backwards too. But basically, if it matches, that means like all their financial statements are correct. If it doesn't, that means something went wrong somewhere. And then here is a depiction of a income like statement sheet. It might be backwards for you guys, but here's one. And then here is a balance sheet, depicting liabilities, assets, and owner's equity. And that's accounting. Now we're gonna have Alex talk to you guys about financing.
Hello, I am Alex Chang. I'm going to be talking about the financial part of this project. Finances is a system used to determine the use of company resources and funds. The people in the financial department are in charge of obtaining needed funds, making a plan to gain said funds, and then managing the money. When the financial department has excess money, they invest it into such things like bonds and stocks. And that is pretty much it for our video. Bye-bye.
Oh, it's just started. Oh shit. Hold on.
I can just edit it out. Yeah, you can also do the palm.